Okay, okay, students. I think we were there when Anil got a bundle of notes. What was the total amount? 600 rupees. And what was the notes? Uh, Type of notes? 50 rupees. 50 rupees means there were 12 notes. And after all, he was a thief. वो thief था. Finally, whatever his profession was there, whatever he was having in his quality and all, it came out. वो उसकी आ गई थी. Although for the last month, एक महीने तक he and he was very good, very honest. He did not do anything for his line of work. उसका जो लाइन था काम करने का, उसके हिसाब से उसने कुछ भी नहीं किया था तब तक. But now, when he saw the money, his mind totally changed. उसके emotions, feeling changed. Again, the same thief, it just took a birth again in Hari Singh. Hari Singh में दोबारा जो एक चोर था वो जग गया था. Okay, and he took the money. उसने वो पैसा ले लिया था एंड ही स्टार्टेड मूविंग ऑफ टू द स्टेशन. स्टेशन पर पहुंच गया. इट वाज ए ड्रिजलिंग लिटिल बिट. थोड़ी सी बारिश हो रही थी एंड ही वाज फीलिंग वेरी कोल्ड. उसको ठंड भी लग रही थी और कूल ब्रीज वाज ब्लोइंग. ठंडी हवा भी चल रही थी. ओके, एंड व्हेन ही वाज ऑन द रोड ही बिगेन टू रन. उसने दौड़ना भी शुरू किया था बिकॉज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ही वांटेड टू बी अवे फ्रॉम अनिल्स हाउस. उससे जितना जल्दी दूर हो सके बिकॉज आफ्टर ऑल ही हैज स्टोलन द मनी. उसने पैसा चुरा लिया था एंड he wanted to be away, and secondly I think he wanted to catch the 10:30 train. वो 10:30 train पकड़ना चाहता था. That's why he went there because at that time, or he might not be thinking of taking any vehicle, any convention or like auto and all. Not interested in that. Just he wanted to reach वो बस he wanted to reach the station किसी तरह पहुंचना चाह रहा था. And when he reached the station, जब वो स्टेशन पर पहुंचा, what was the condition क्या थी वहां पर? The train was about to move. वो start हो गई थी. It was moving on the platform. प्लेटफॉर्म से चल रही थी, leaving the platform, but the speed was not that much high. उसकी स्पीड इतनी नहीं थी. And so if by running he could have jumped into any of the compartment, any of the carriages, any of the compartment. किसी भी डब्बे में वो ट्रेन के में चढ़ सकता था वो. Okay, so but I did not stop at the ticket counter also. और उसने बोला ticket counter, ticket and all for the thieves and all, it is not a meant for them. उनके लिए नहीं होती है ये ticket counter and all, it is not for them. And I had never bought a ticket in my life. उसने बोल दिया I never bought a ticket, कभी ticket खरीदा ही नहीं. But dashed straight to the platform. वो platform की तरफ सीधा चल दिया. And platform and the train had still to pick up the speed. अब speed पकड़नी थी. It means the train was moving out, leaving the station in a very slow speed. बिल्कुल slow speed से वो स्टेशन को छोड़ रही थी. And I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages, means any of the compartment or any of the train compartment. Jump, वो jump कर सकता था. But all of a sudden he hesitated. Because of some hesitation he stopped or he put his foot backward. उसने अपने पाँव पीछे खींच लिए. And he lost the chance to get away. वहां से भागने का जो उसका चांस था, he lost that one. उसने वो चांस खो दिया था. Okay, when the train had gone, जब वो ट्रेन चली गई थी, I found myself standing alone in the deserted platform. Deserted means after the train everyone moved out from there, and it was only just deserted, सुनसान platform. No other passenger was there. कोई भी passenger नहीं था. I had no idea where to spend the night. उसको मतलब नाइट कहाँ बिताई जाए, he was not having any idea. कोई भी आइडिया नहीं था. I had no friends and he even did not have friends. उसके फ्रेंड भी नहीं थे. Believing that friends are more trouble than help. मतलब it was his thinking because of his line of profession. उसके काम के प्रोफेशन के हिसाब से फ्रेंडशिप एंड ऑल, इट क्रिएट्स ए प्रॉब्लम. टीम के लिए हमेशा ये प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. And I did not want to make anyone curious. और वो curious means someone wants to know that why that thief has stayed in the hotel. होटल में क्यों रुका हुआ है. By curious staying at one of the small hotels. कोई भी छोटे होटल में which is near the station. जो स्टेशन के नजदीक है किसी होटल में रुके, वो उसके किसी और को इतना curious wanted to know, जिज्ञासा नहीं क्रिएट करना चाहता था. The only person I knew really well was the man I had robbed. लेकिन वो वहां पर केवल एक ही व्यक्ति को अच्छे से जानता था. And the man who had robbed, मतलब the man I had robbed, he had robbed that man. जिसको, who was that man? Anil. He was Anil and robbed. Leaving the station and station को छोड़कर, because he cannot stay at the station. He was a thief. He was not having any sort of ticket also, even not the platform ticket. किसी भी तरह की कोई platform ticket and all, there was not. I walked slowly through bazaar. Now he started moving in the bazaar. बाजार में से थोड़ा सा जाना शुरू किया. In my short career as a thief, in my short career as a thief, मेरा मतलब as a career thief, because he was just 15, वो केवल 15 ही वर्ष का था. He was just 15. Any article, anything, if they are lost, जब उन्होंने कोई चीज जो है, what is the reaction expressed by the different people, ये लोग किस तरह की react करते हैं. The greedy man showed fear, because these are the reactions of the thief. Greedy man showed fear. Greedy man, those who are greedy, they show fear. वो डर दिखाते. Okay, students, I think I'm clear to you now. Okay, now he is explaining the different people. They show different reactions when they are robbed. जब वो rob किया, there can be a question. What is his views about the reactions of the different people when they are robbed? जब उनको rob किया जाता है या उनकी चोरी हो जाती है, what type of expression they show, किस तरह की expression दिखाते हैं. That is all. These are the three types of people he has explained. Now greedy men show fear. Greedy men क्या करते हैं? They show fear. And the rich men show anger. And the poor men showed acceptance. They accept, okay, it was in my luck and all these things. Acceptance. But I knew that Anil's face. लेकिन वो जानता था अनिल का face. And when he discovered the thief, अगर उसको इस thief चोरी का पता लगेगा, and would only a touch of sadness, मतलब he will feel only for some time, because he is very carefree person, very carefree, without any care, without any worry. He is a totally, you can't say careless, but carefree person, and not for the loss of money, and even he would mind the loss of loss के लिए he would never mind, कुछ भी mind नहीं करेगा, but for the loss of trust, but whatever trust, because he has showed trust in Anil without anything. It means Hari Singh was a stranger to him. He was totally strange. And all of a sudden he trusted him and kept him in his home. उसको अपने घर में रख लिया था, and all sort of whatever the food and all, and he was given the key also, and he was allowed to go anywhere in the house. Means such a trust he has shown there. इतना trust दिखाया. He would be mind for that. सिर्फ उसके लिए वो mind करेगा. Trust. I found myself in the Maidan, and now he started in the Maidan, in the ground, and sat down on a bench. And he sat down on a bench, एक bench पर बैठ गया. The night was chilly, very cold. हवा बिल्कुल ठंडी थी. It was early November. November का starting था, and a light drizzle added to my discomfort. Discomfort means he was not feeling comfortable because of the chilly wind, ठंडी हवा थी, and little bit drizzling, थोड़ी सी बूंदाबांदी. It has added to his comfort. उसका जो discomfort था, it has added something. And it was and soon it was raining quite heavily, or it started raining quite heavily. तेज बारिश होने लगी. My shirt and pajama stuck to my skin because of the wetness. गीला होने के कारण they stuck to his skin. उसकी skin से चिपक गए थे. And cold wind blew the rain across my face. And cold wind, ठंडी हवा, blew the rain की जो drops थी, and it was over the face, उसके चेहरे पर लग रही थी. I went back to the bazaar. मैं बाजार में गया, and sat down in the shelter of a clock, और एक clock के shelter में, clock tower, in the shelter में बैठ गया वहाँ पर, so that he could save himself from the rain से बचने के लिए clock tower में he sat there. The clock showed midnight. Midnight means almost 12 o'clock. उसमें 12 o'clock थे. I felt for the notes. मैंने note को feel किया. Whatever the note he has stuck, जो उसने बांधे हुए थे. And they were damp from the rain. Damp, little bit wet. गीले हो गए थे rain के कारण. Anil's money, Anil का जो पैसा था. In the morning, he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to cinema. बोलता शायद अनिल मुझे सुबह 1-2 रुपया दे देता to go to cinema, means to enjoy myself. But now I had it all. लेकिन अब तो मेरे पास सारा ही पैसा. मतलब he started thinking as if thief की तरह वो सोचने लग रहा. I could not cook his meal. मैं उसका खाना could not cook his meal. Now he started feeling that whatever trust, it was not the money, but what efforts he was करना start कर दिया था. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft, and everything he has forgotten because when he saw the money, he forgot everything. He mad and he wanted to just steal the money. पैसे को वो चुराना चाहता था. And uh, the whole sentences, whatever he was teaching, because he taught him the first day when he took the food, it was so terrible. Even the stray dog did not eat. उन्होंने भी नहीं खाना खाया था. And then he started teaching him how to prepare food, and also he started teaching him write his name and small sentences and even little bit addition and subtraction of the numbers. कुछ numbers के addition subtraction सिखाने लगा था. कुछ उसको sentence writing, his name writing and all. Means he started imparting him some sort of informal education rather than. It is not a formal education. Formal education is according to the rules, according to the norms of the board and controllers and all. But he started him so that something more. It can be called an informal education. And sentencing, I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. And if I'm learned, if I'm educated, it means I could have earned even more money. It was just the amount of 600 rupees. Yes, 600 rupees. Tha. But once he became a learned or educated person, there could be no limit for him. उसके लिए कोई limit नहीं है. And it was a simple matter to steal. Only simply I have stolen everything. I have broken the trust of a man who showed a great trust in me. जिसने मेरे में इतना अच्छा trust दिखाया था. And sometimes just as simple to be caught, or sometime it was I could have been caught also. मैं शायद पकड़ा भी जाता. But to be the real big man, but if you want to be a big man in life, it means a clever and respected man, a clever, intelligent and respected man, and was something else. वो एक अलग चीज होती है. To lead a very quality life, to be a respectable in society. समाज में because thief and all, they can earn money one day, they can steal money, they can rob someone one day, but next day they can be caught. It means their life is not certain. उनकी life it is not a certain, or it cannot be called a life. Anytime they can be caught. कभी भी वो पकड़े जा सकते हैं. मतलब इसको life नहीं कह सकते. And I should go back to Anil. Now he decided. Actually, he was sitting on the bench and thinking all these things. ये चीजें सब सोच रहा था. I told myself, if only to learn to read and write, if only to learn, read and write, because I want to go back, I should go back to Anil, only to learn, read and write, so that I can become a really good citizen of the country. एक अपने country का एक अच्छा citizen बन पाऊँ. I hurried back to the room, feeling very nervous. Now he started moving back to home. Anil के पास जाना उसने शुरू कर दिया. For it is much easier to steal something than to return it, and then to that is undetected. Undetected return karna, it is very difficult. Stealing money is, there is no problem, but undetected returning the money undetected, it is equal. It is very difficult. I opened the door quietly. मैंने door दरवाजा खोला चुपचाप. Then stood in the doorway. और doorway में stood खड़ा हुआ. Stood in the doorway. And in a clouded moonlight, it was clouded because outside it was raining, and even it started heavy rain. Anil was still at asleep. Anil अभी भी सोया हुआ था. I crept to the head of the bed, crept, moving without being observed, without being detected, बिना detect किए आगे बढ़ना. And my hands came up to with the notes, and my hands came out with the notes, and he started putting the notes back under the mattress. उस mattress के नीचे उसने note डालना शुरू किया. I felt his breath on my head, and when his head was near his mouth and all, he felt his breath beating out and all. And I remained still for a moment, for a minute, for a time being. He just remained still without any movement. He did not make any sort of movement. किसी भी तरह की उसने हरकत नहीं की थी. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress, और उसने edge corner किनारा of the mattress के नीचे चला गया, and slipped the under it with the notes, and hand went underneath the mattress with the notes के साथ उसका हाथ नीचे चला गया. I woke late next morning. After once he stepped the money, he slept. वो सो गया था. I awoke next morning late. Next morning वो काफी late उठा, and find Anil had already made the tea. और उसको पता लगा कि अनिल ने already उसके लिए टी चाय बना दी. And he stretched out his hands towards me, and he stretched out hands. He just extended his hand towards him to give the tea. उसने अपना हाथ आगे बढ़ाया, and there was a 50 rupees in his fingers, and in his fingers there was a 50 rupees. उसने 50 rupees note भी दिया था. My heart sank. उसका दिल बिल्कुल बैठ गया था. Means he thought that he was. उसको पता लगा कि वो पकड़ा गया. And I had been discovered. Anil came to know that the money had been stolen. उसका पैसा चुराया गया था. I made some money yesterday, he explained. But he started, instead of all this thing, he ignored everything and he started explaining. I made some money yesterday. I made some money. उसने कहा कल मेरा कुछ पैसा आया था. And he explained. Now you will be paid regularly. और आज के बाद I'll be paying you regularly. आपको regular pay करूँगा. My spirit rose, means my soul arose, means I also forgotten everything. Means what a big heart that Anil had. Anil का कितना बड़ा दिल था. He was just feeling that. But when he took the notes from the fingers of Anil की finger से when he got the note that उसने उसको पकड़ा, I saw it was still wet from the night stain. अभी भी वो night की rain से it was wet. It means there can be a question. And do you think that Anil came to know about the stealing of money? इस पैसे के बारे में उसको क्या पता लग गया? Yes. How can you say? Because when Anil gave the note to Hari Singh early in the morning, it was still wet. It was abhi bhi wet. It means the money was exposed to in the rain. वो exposed was. And who can take? Only Hari Singh, because he was a thief. And the night rains was still wet from the today. We'll start writing sentences. He said, ignoring everything what happened in the night and all, he came to know, because after all he was a thief. But he stopped, ignored everything and started that we will start writing sentences. आज हम sentence लिखना सीखेंगे. That will be the topic. I'll be teaching you how to write sentence. Sentence कैसे लिखते? I'll be teaching मैं आपको पढ़ाऊंगा आपको. And he knew, वह जानता था. But neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. लेकिन उसको ये भी पता था. It means he came to know about the stealing or robbing of the money. Stealing of the money. उसके बारे में पता चल रहा था. Still, he ignored these things and he told today our new chapter. हम अपना chapter शुरू. I smiled at Anil. Man again and Anil in my most appealing way. Most appealing way is trying to please again, trying to, but still in emotions, in the feeling, he was feeling repenting. He was feeling little bit. He was repenting actually. उसको पछतावा महसूस कर रहा था, because he had tried to break the trust of a man who had helped him in all the way, and still he was trying to help him to become a good citizen. And the smile came by itself, without any effort. But this time, the smile was without any effort. बिना कोई effort के. इस बार ये smile without any effort. Okay, this is the end of the chapter. Okay, Jitendra sir, you can.